Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm going to test out this plugin today called Whimsical plugin. I don't think I'm pronouncing it right, but let's test it out. The idea is that it can give us a good starting point for diagrams and flowcharts, which are obviously very essential when we're building out any kind of presentation. So let's give this a try. Help me build a diagram for the following flowchart. First, customer to provide name. Next, CSV template to fill. To enable customer to upload, validate the data. If validation fails, provide validation report and ask customer to go back to step 3, step 6, process data for visualization, and step 6. Yeah, right. Well, that's right. Step 6 or step 7. Show the visualization. All right, let's see if this thing does anything correct. I don't even know if it'll pick up the Whimsical plugin. All right, it does. All right, it's starting to kind of build out the prompt. And for those of you that I might not have shared, I'm using ChatGPT 4 with plugins enabled. All right, super interesting. Okay, so it actually looked at that and was able to create this. This is really cool. Normally, I would go build this out in PowerPoint, but let's say I want to change some colors. Looks like I can go to Whimsical and change those colors by clicking on this link. You may not be able to see that because I'm not sharing that tab. But yeah, this is really cool that you can very quickly come up with this. Let's do a different one. Let's come up with a stair-step diagram showing this linear process. Build a plan for business. Validate with friends. 3 put together deck presentation for share presentation with VCs. 5 close funding. Obviously, that's not how any startup fundraising goes, but let's see what at least the diagram comes out to be. It's cool. It's picking up the diagram tool pretty easily. Interesting. So here it's just showing a straight process, not a stair step. Can you make the diagram into a stair step where it starts from the bottom right, left, and moves towards the top right? Nope, it doesn't seem to have that capability, but still a good starting point. Makes it easier to at least come up with a high level diagrams. All right, thanks for watching, everyone.